Hi all. In this video, we will see how to create a calculated column by using DAX formulas. Okay, I already put a video about difference between calculated column and measures. First, you go and watch that video. Okay, so here you all know about measures. Okay, measure simply measure means it it is a column. Okay, you can see like this rank here. You can see some columns with the calculated symbol. Okay, so it's a column, but it physically will not exist in our database like this. Here you can see some columns, quantity, price, but the measure we calculated will not physically exist in our table, but but you can see in fly panel like this. But calculated column that will physically exist in our data set. Okay, so today I will show you how to create a calculated column, means new column and new table. Okay, by using our existing columns or existing tables in our data set. For that, we will use the same DAX functions or DAX formulas that we used to create measures. Okay, for that, so here you can see I have some tables here. Sales data. Okay, this is the sales data, order ID, product ID, location ID, salesperson ID, customer ID. Okay, here you can see IDs and a purchase date, quantity and price. But all the details about this ID will come in. This is a product ID. The detailed description about this product will come in the product table. Okay, here see product data, the product ID, the product name, cost means unit cost, current price, etc. will come in this product data. So this sales data is a fact table, and this product data, location data, and customer data, these all are the dimension table. Okay, dimension table will tell about the detailed description about the fact that is stored in the fact table. Okay, so sales data is a fact table. So my requirement is that now I have some columns in this sales data. I want to bring a column from another table. Okay, so I have a list of options here. So I want to bring a column from another table to a table from another table to this sales data. Okay, so I want an extra column here. Okay, that column I can bring from some other column, so some other table. Okay, so here my selection, I am in sales data. Okay, so I want to bring a column country from this location data. Okay, in this location data I have some columns like area code, county, okay, household, land area. So I want to bring this county column, okay, into this sales data. Here I want a county column. Okay, for that I will use related function. You might hear about related function. Okay, that's an important function. So I will use see how I will bring that column into this sales data. Now I am in sales data. So I will go to new column. See, here you can see new column. Here you can see new table. I will select new column. Okay, while selecting new column, here you can see an additional column is added into my existing data set. Okay, so in this column I want county, means that county I can get from this location data. For that I will use related function because I want a connection between this location data and this sales data. Okay, so here I will put related country. Okay, you can put any name here. Related country equal to, so I will use related function. Okay, related. related. Then, so I want to bring county column from this location data. Okay, so I will select location table. From location table, I want to bring county. There is C. From this location data, I will bring county. Then close the bracket. Executing that. Okay, see all the county. You can see here all the counties. Okay. Okay, I will explain again. So I am in this, first I am in this sales data. Okay, so in this sales data, so I can see the sales data table, means all the columns in sales data here. So I want to bring a new column in this sales data. Okay, that is a fact table. So a new column from another table. Okay, that's I brought that from this location data, a county column from location data. Okay, so this location data is a dimension table. When so then I execute this particular DAX function. So I got a country details, county details in this sales data. Okay, so how it is happening? It is happening joins between the primary key and the foreign keys between the two tables. Okay, so I already see here you can see location ID. Okay, A132, A116, A173. Here you can see the location ID. So here location ID will come many times. Okay, so suppose assume this is a supermarket data. So in a supermarket, one person will come, means a person from, okay, a person from a location will come many times. So the location ID will come many times in this fact table. Okay, so the detailed information about this location ID, you will see that in this location data. Okay, and country name, location name, all that information you will get from a dimension table. Okay, so in here location ID will come only one type. Okay, with the primary, so in location data, location ID is the primary key. Okay, so we are it is happening joins between, means in the modeling tab you can see the joins. Sales data, it's a fact table, and here location data, here you can see a line. So here primary the joining columns are location ID, location ID in the location data, and the location ID in the sales data. Okay, so by using that join, that connection, we brought a column from another table into this sales data. So, okay. According to this join, I can bring any columns in the connected table. Okay, so next another method. Okay, so I want to bring. So here I use a related function. Okay, so next requirement, I want to bring a column from sales data. Okay, this is a fact table. Sales data to customer. There is sales data to this customer data. Okay, this customer data is a dimension table. So this sales data is a fact table. So I want to bring a column from this sales data to a customer data, that is from fact table to dimension. Okay, we already saw one method, that is we brought a column from a dimension table to a fact table. Now we are going to see we are going to see about bringing a column from a fact table to a dimension table. Okay, so for that we will use related table. Okay, see, I am in customer data. For that I want to add a column in this customer data. Okay, so from this fact table, for that go to new column. Related table function we will use equal to here we will use sum x because it will here I already said means here primary key in dimension table primary key will repeat only one time, in fact table it will come many times. Okay, so here in sales data, okay, I am going to bring a price column from this fact table to this customer data. So here customer ID will come many times, so price will slice according to that ID. Here I want the summary, means this C1000 is it one ID. So I want the summarized amount here. Okay, so for C1000 I want the summarized amount here it will come many times. Also the many time value I want to summarize here. Okay, so for that I will use sum x related table. Okay, related table sales data. From sales data I am going to bring a column comma from sales data price. See, here you can see the price column, summarized price column you can see here. Okay, so the main difference, this is the difference between related and a related table. Related table, it is used to bring a column from fact table to dimension table. So related function, it is used to bring a column from dimension to a fact table. Okay, that's the main difference between this related and a related function. Okay. I will summarize. First, we brought a column from sales data. That's a fact from fact table. Fact table from a dimension table. Okay, that is the location data. For that we use the related function. Okay, so to bring a column from fact table to a dimension table, we use the related table function. That is the main difference between these two. Okay, you try this one. Okay, thank you.